Indian Universities Act was during the tenure of blank. Answer is option C, Lord Curzon. Breaking down of rock in situ is known as. Answer is option A, weathering. Which of the following is the inalienable attribute of the parliamentary system of government? Answer is option D, fusion of executive and legislature. Which of the following sites is not included in the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Answer is option D, Sariska Wildlife Sanctuary. Which one of the following concerns soil? Answer is option C, edaphic. What is the cause of arise of myopia? Answer is option B, excessive curvature of the eye lens. Which of the following countries was disbanded in a total of 6 independent countries? Answer is option C, Yugoslavia. The novel The Black Hill is written by which of the following authors? Answer is option B, Mamang Dai. From where do we get the description of Mahajanapadas? Answer is option A, Anguttara Nikaya. Who is the author of the book Unstoppable My Life So Far? Answer is option B, Maria Sharapova. Bronze is an alloy of. Answer is option D, copper and tin. The Rath temples of Mahabalipuram were constructed by. Answer is option D, Narasimhavarman first. The primary memory is also called the. Answer is option C, main memory. Which of the following properties is generally not shown by metals? Answer is option C, dullness. Which of the following committees were related with the reforms in banking sector in India? Answer is option D, Narasimhan Committee. What is the Chillaiya Committee related to? Answer is option A, tax reforms. Which of the following is a dormant volcano? Answer is option C, Kilimanjaro. Who was the mastermind of the bomb attack on Lord Hardinge at Chandni Chowk in Delhi in 1912? Answer is option B, Ras Bihari Bose. In which of the following states is mica not found? Answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Which article of the Constitution of India directs the state to take steps to separate the judiciary from the executive in the public services of the state? Answer is option D, Article 50. Who among the Maratha Peshwa followed the ideal of Hindu Padshaahi? Answer is option C, Bajirao first. Which is the longest river of the Deccan Plateau? Answer is option B, Godavari. Which one of the following is not a feature of prokaryotic cell? Answer is option A, absence of genetic material. Which of the following monuments was built by Chamundrai? Answer is option C, Gomateswara Temple statue. The gastric juice in the stomach of human beings is blank and aids in the digestion of food. Answer is option D, acidic. Name the Italian traveler who visited the Vijayanagara Empire in 15th century blank. Answer is option B, Niccolo Conti. How much percent of argon gas are present in our atmosphere? Answer is option C, 0.932%. Which of the following states does not have veto power in the UN Security Council? Answer is option D, Canada. Which Gupta ruler repulsed Huna invasion? Answer is option A, Skandagupta. Which was the first modern industry to develop in India? Answer is option C, iron and steel industry. What does the Ashoka's wheel in the Indian national flag represent? Answer is option C, wheel of the law of Dharma. Nile River was known as the backbone of which country? Answer is option B, Egypt. Annona squamosa is the scientific name of blank. Answer is option C, custard apple. What is called the reaction in which oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously? Answer is option A, redox. Who discovered nitrogen? Answer is option C, Rutherford. Nepali language is mainly spoken in which state? Answer is option D, Sikkim. Electric chair was invented by? Answer is option B, Alfred P. Southwick. Device used for the detection and measurement of all types of radiation, alpha, beta and gamma. Answer is option A, Geiger counter. The chemical formula of hematite is? Answer is option A, Fe2O3. The study of the universe is known as blank. Answer is option D, cosmology. The shortest day is in the northern hemisphere. Answer is option C, 22 December. Adolf Hitler, the blank politician, was responsible for genocide of millions of Jews. Answer is option D, German. Prithviraj Chauhan married blank. She was the daughter of his enemy Jayachandra Gahdwala. Answer is option D, Samyukta. When a ball is thrown vertically upwards, which of the following quantities remains constant during its motion? Answer is option A, energy. A uniform motion of a car along a circular path experiences? Answer is option C, a change in velocity due to a change in its direction of motion. Web pages are created using which of the following? Answer is option A, HTML. Seismometer was invented by? Answer is option D, Luigi Palmieri. Deficiency of which of the following causes failure of blood to clot? Answer is option D, vitamin K. By what name is the process of generating energy in trees known? Answer is option B, photosynthesis. What is the causative organism of smallpox? Answer is option A, variola virus.